Welcome to this tutorial. We're going to be learning about improper fractions and mixed numbers. The fraction you see on your screen there, 4/3, is actually an improper fraction, and I'll just write that there. It's improper because the numerator, or the top number, is larger than the denominator. So the numerator, or the 4 in this case, is larger than the denominator, 3. We could always also write that as 1 and 1/3, and this is referred to as a mixed number. And a mixed number is a whole number, in this case 1, with a fraction here, 1/3, another fraction beside it which is less than 1. Okay, now we're going to be learning about converting improper fractions into mixed numbers and vice versa. So if we had the fraction 12/4, you can probably straight away see that 4 goes into 12 3 times. So in actual fact 12/4 equals 3. If we had the fraction 17/4, this becomes a little bit more tricky. 4 goes into 17 4 times, but we're left with the remainder, or something left over, which is 1, because 4 times 4 is 16, and there's 1 left over. So it becomes 4, and the remainder, which is 1, over the original denominator amount, or 4 here. Here we have 3 fractions. Have a go at working them out. So pause the tutorial, have a go at working them out, and then we'll share the answers. Good luck. So hopefully you've had a go at trying to work these out. 5/3. Well, 3 goes into 5 once, so that's 3/3, and left over is 2/3, so we know the answer is 1 and 2/3. 3/3 is the same as 1. Okay, 17 halves. We know that 2 goes into 17, closest will go into 2 times 8 is 16, so 16 halves, and there's 1 half left over. We know that 16 halves is 8 and 1 half. And 22 sevenths, so we know that 7 goes into 22, and it goes into 21 3 times, 21 sevenths, plus, and there'd be 1/7 left over, so 21 sevenths is 3 and 1/7. Hopefully you did quite well. Now we're going to have a go at converting these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So if you think you know how to do this, then be brave and pause the tutorial and have a go yourselves. Otherwise you can keep playing it to find out. Right, first up, 2.5 into an improper fraction. Basically, 2 is the same as 4 halves and the 1 half that we already have. So the answer is 5 halves. Or another way of working that out, 2 times 2 gives us our 4 halves plus the extra half. 7 and 1/9. Using our strategy here, 7 times 9, you're going to end up with 63/9 plus 1/9. So the answer will be 64/9. And obviously, to see if we've been correct, we can do the reverse. So you work out 64 divided by 9 equals 7, and there's 1 left over, 7 1/9. Thanks for using this tutorial. Hope it's been helpful.